Hey everyone, welcome to the Sheet Director feature. In this video, we'll explore how you can manage multiple services seamlessly within a single Google Sheet. Managing integrations across different applications can often become complex and time-consuming. With Sheet Director, you can simplify this process by handling everything directly within one place. Let's start by launching Sheet Director. Click on any application to set up a new service. Configure the service based on your application and data requirements. Save the service for future use. Again, click on Create Service to create multiple services as needed for different applications. View and manage all your services in one place. Edit any service anytime to update its configuration. Execute a service to update data between the applications and Google Sheets. Delete services that are no longer needed. You can clone a service whenever needed, which will create a copy of that service. Manage bidirectional data flow between systems and Google Sheets. That's how easy it is to manage multiple services with Sheet Director. Start organizing your integrations more efficiently and take full control of your workflows right from your Google Sheet.